100 subscribers. After over a year on YouTube, 28 videos and almost 9,000 views, we finally made it. It required a lot of perseverance from me and a lot of support from all of you, but we've done it. Thank you so much to each and every one of you. Every new subscriber is important to me. To celebrate this milestone, I've filmed and edited an average of 12, which I'll show in a moment. I just want to start off by talking about the journey we've made so far. The first video on this channel was uploaded on the 15th of May 2020, filmed with a bad camera, recorded with a bad microphone, and edited with bad software. Now we've had all kinds of tutorials, a cube unboxing, and a solve analysis. I can't wait to see what will happen in the near future. So thanks for continuing to watch these videos and for subscribing to the channel. Of course, if you aren't subscribed, which according to YouTube is 93.3% of you, then it's not too late to subscribe now by pressing the big red subscribe button. But seriously, thank you all so much, it means the world to me and I'm eternally grateful. And without further ado, let's move straight on to episode 4 of the Fast Rubik's Cube Solve series, which is an 11:05 average of 12.